Have you ever wondered if the forces of other planets reach us here on Earth? The answer is, they do. And one of the ways they make their presence felt is through gravitational interactions. You see, the primary driver of Earth's tides is the gravitational pull from our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. These tidal forces have a profound influence on our planet, affecting marine life and shaping coastal ecosystems. But the Moon isn't the only celestial body pulling on us. Other planets, particularly the heavyweight champion of our solar system, Jupiter, exert their own gravitational forces. While these forces are much weaker and their influence on our tides is subtle, they do play a role. So, the next time you're standing by the ocean, watching the ebb and flow of the tides, remember that there's a cosmic dance happening out there. So, while the Moon has the most significant impact, other planets do play a part in shaping our tides. The dance of planets around the Sun doesn't just create a cosmic ballet, but also influences our climate. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of Milankovitch cycles. You might be wondering what these are. Well, they are long-term changes in our planet's orbit and tilt, and they have a significant impact on our climate. Here's how it works. Earth's orbit isn't a perfect circle. It's slightly elliptical, and this eccentricity, along with our planet's tilt and the way it wobbles on its axis, changes over thousands of years. These changes are influenced by the gravitational forces of other planets, especially the heavyweights of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. These gravitational nudges lead to cycles of climate change, influencing the timing and intensity of ice ages. The last ice age ended about 10,000 years ago, setting the stage for the rise of human civilization. Next time you're feeling chilly, remember that the orbits of our planetary neighbors are partially to thank. Asteroids and comets, while fascinating, can pose a threat to Earth. But did you know other planets help keep us safe? The gravitational forces of planets, especially the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, play a vital role in the solar system's asteroid and comet dynamics. These celestial heavyweights act like cosmic sweepers, their massive gravitational fields influencing the paths of these space rocks. By altering their trajectories, these planets can steer potentially dangerous comets and asteroids away from a collision course with Earth. Consider them as our solar system's celestial bodyguards, if you will. They help divert these cosmic interlopers, ensuring they don't wander too close to our home turf. However, the dance of celestial bodies is intricate and unpredictable. While planets can shield us from some threats, their gravitational interactions can also nudge these objects towards Earth. But don't worry. The odds of a significant asteroid or comet impact are incredibly small. So, other planets in our solar system serve as celestial bodyguards, helping to protect us from celestial threats. Space weather isn't something you check in your daily forecast, but it does affect us. Imagine the Sun, our star, constantly spewing out a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This solar wind interacts with Earth's magnetosphere, a protective shield that deflects most of these particles. Now consider the other planets in our solar system. Each one, particularly those with strong magnetic fields like Jupiter, can influence this solar wind. These celestial bodies, with their own magnetic fields, interact with the Sun's solar wind, shaping the magnetic environment within the solar system. Here's where it gets interesting. Changes in this space weather can have some surprising impacts. They can affect satellite communications, causing disruptions that we may notice in our daily tech use. They can even influence power grids, potentially leading to power outages. Some studies even suggest they might affect biological systems. While we might not feel it, the magnetic tug-of-war between planets does have an impact right here on Earth. Our place in the solar system isn't as fixed as you might think. The planets in our solar system, especially the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, exert gravitational forces on each other, leading to complex orbital dynamics. These dynamics can have far-reaching implications, including the potential to impact the long-term stability of Earth's orbit. Think of it this way. Our solar system is a cosmic dance, with each planet following its own rhythm, yet all connected through the symphony of gravity. These gravitational interactions have, over billions of years, helped shape the orderly orbits we see today. And it's not just about maintaining our distance from the Sun. It's also about the stability that allows Earth to have a relatively predictable and stable climate, which is crucial for supporting life as we know it. So our planetary neighbors contribute to our planet's stable orbit, helping to maintain conditions conducive to life.